Let's talk service management. AI and machine learning are changing how processes in organizations are currently being carried out to implement, improve, and support IT services. Customers are all about the experience and engagement. Sometimes there can be difficulties in managing IT service requests. Changes can lead to confusion and delays. Maintaining consistent service quality across diverse IT environments can also be a hassle. So what's the solution? The ITIL model. ITIL Foundation is an entry-level certification course that explores the end-to-end IT service model for creation, delivery, and continuous service improvement that aligns with enterprise strategy. To start with, IT services can be very complex when you look at the service request, when you look at the change request. Managing in a complex environment will be very, very frustrating. But with the introduction of AI and machine learning, we have a situation where these services can be automated, digitized, and reduce human intervention or human interaction with the system. And this platform ensures that end-to-end view of your IT technology is being organized and well established. So organizations can definitely gain insights into their technology landscape, gain insight into their infrastructure using the ITIL services management. At PCL, we provide you with resources, exercises, mock tests, and case studies to help you prepare for your ITIL certifications. Our training covers ITIL fundamentals and introduces the Service Value System, SVS, which explains how enterprise components work together to create value. Over the years, ITIL has benefited organizations of all sizes, along with government bodies and universities, to operate efficiently to achieve their respective goals. And with the help of this class, you too will be able to usher digital transformation to your organizations, which will in turn promote work efficiency. So, whether it's incident management, service request, or maintaining service quality, ITIL equips you with the tools to overcome these challenges. Get certified.